Hello friends, in this video we are going to create this look, and if you want to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the video.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anusha Siddiqui and I make makeup tutorials, skincare and other related videos. So today's video is going to be an Arabic inspired makeup look. So if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all I will moisturize my face with my favorite Dermite oil-free moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizer if you are following me. So I've taken the moisturizer. So moisturizing your face is the first step, because after moisturizer we are going to apply primer and then foundation. So moisturizer will make your skin more softer and it will help your foundation to last longer. Okay, so I have applied the moisturizer. Now I will apply primer. For primer I'm going to use Beautify by Amna Pore Fit Primer. I will take a little amount of this, just a little bit, and apply it on the area where I have pores. Okay, so after applying primer, we will do our eye makeup first and then we will continue with the face makeup, because it is going to be Arabic look and it is going to be a smoky eye look. So we will do our eye makeup first to avoid the fallout which can ruin our makeup look. Okay, so for eye makeup, I am going to shape out my eyebrows. For shaping my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Sophia Ashley gel liner. Yes, it is in the shade 02 brown. So I'll shape my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back after shaping my eyebrows. So after that, I'm going to apply a concealer on my eyelids as an eye primer. So I'm using this Miss Rose concealer to conceal my eyelids. Okay, so I've concealed my eyelids. Now I am going to apply eyeshadows. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Make Magic eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful shades and these shades are highly pigmented. So from this palette, I'm going to use this shade and the black one. So this is called Addict and the black one is called Dark Side. First I will take Addict with a blending brush and use it as a transition shade and apply it all over my eyelid. Okay, so after this I'm going to use the shade Dark Side, which is black, and press it on the corners. I'm just pressing the pigment right now. I'm slightly moving towards the inner corner as well. Okay, so after applying black shade, I'm going to use a blending brush and use the shade Addict and blend the edges of this black pigment. Okay, so I blended the edges with the shade Addict. Now I'm going to clean this edge to make it a smoky and sharp look. So I'm going to use a cotton pad with a makeup remover. I will just apply makeup remover on it and fold it like this and then clean. Okay, so you can see the edge is more sharper now. So after that I'm going to apply a glitter. for glitter, I'm going to use this Ever Beauty Pro Makeup Palette, and it has 4 beautiful glitter shades. I'm going to use this dull golden shade because it matches to my dress. So it has some beautiful stars in it. This eyeshadow is very pretty. Hope you can see. So I'm applying it with the help of brush. You have to be very careful while applying glitters on your eyelids because if it will get into your eye, it can harm you. So always be careful while putting some glitters on your eyes. Okay, so I have applied the glitters. Now it's time to apply the eyeliner. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Glamorous Face Aqua 3D watercolor liner. So this is a cake liner. I'm going to use it with a brush. It is a liner brush. Okay, so I have applied liner. Now I will conceal the under eye area. Then I will complete the lower lash line. So for concealing, I'm again using the same concealer with the beauty blender. So I've concealed the under eye area. Now I will continue doing the liner and kajal thing. Okay, to now coming back to the eyeliner, I will make a sharp edge in the inner corner. So yeah, I have drawn a pointed edge in the inner corner. Just make sure that they are equal. Yes. So after this, I will apply kajal. For kajal, I'm going to use Rivaj UK kajal. This is a very intense black kajal. Okay, so I've applied kajal. Now I will smudge the lower lash line slightly with the same color which called Addict, which we have used as a transition shade. Okay, so we have slightly smudged the outer side. Okay, so after doing eye makeup, I'm going to apply false lashes. For false lashes, I am going to use my favorite lashes, which is this NG lashes. These are very affordable and amazing lashes. So you can see how pretty these lashes are. So I will apply these lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so after lashes, I am going to apply the foundation. So I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. I've taken one pump of this. Okay, so I've applied foundation all over my face, and we have already concealed the under eye area, but I will apply a little bit concealer on this area because I like the bright under eyes, and apply a little bit on my high points. Okay, so after applying foundation and concealer, now I'm going to set my makeup with a powder. So I'm using a compact powder, which is this Pure Color Control Makeup Compact Powder by Emile. This is currently my favorite compact powder. I'm using a brush to apply this all over my face. Okay, so after setting my face with the compact powder, I am going to bronze my face. So for bronzing, I'm going to use Beautify by Amna Tan Burn Matte Bronzer. Okay, so I'll contour my nose with the same product with the help of my fingers. So I have contoured my nose. Now we are moving towards the blush on. For blush, I'm going to use Beautify by Amna blush palette. So I'll use their this peach blush, and I will use their this white highlighter shade for highlighting. So I'll use this blush brush and slightly go into this peach blush. So I have applied the blush very lightly. Then I will apply this highlighter. So after applying highlighter, the final step is going to be lip color. For lip color, you can go with either red or some nude because it is black. So red and black is a good combination, but it is a Arabian sort of look. So I wanted to go with a nude color. So for nude, I am going to use this Miss Rose lip gloss in the shade 15 Shroom. So I have applied the lip color as well. Now I will set my hairs and jewelry, and I'll be right back. So here I am with the final look after setting the jewelry and hairs. So you can see this is the Arabic look. So this was all about this video. I hope you like this look, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you have any question, you can ask me on my Instagram, and you can comment down below as well. My Instagram handle is given in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and follow me on Instagram. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.